You are now ready to do the reimbursement. Under Components, click Reimbursement. You will see the budget category with the contract budget. This is your award amount. Your expenses should match your contract budget. However, if you have received a discount or maybe your training came in a little less than you projected, you would put your actual expense here. Your contract match is your 20% wage match or cash match requirement. You will insert your expense for the match here. Traditionally, these are the same. Go to the top of the page and click Save. Come to the center and mark as complete. You will do this step for every person who was awarded on the application. This will return you to the Components section, and you will see that the reimbursement has a check mark for complete.